So friends, let's go through the ingredients for this lovely East Indian Thali cake. Now here I have taken 2 egg whites. We're only going to use the egg whites, not the yolks for this recipe. Here I have 100 grams of fine semolina or rava, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 100 grams of fresh grated coconut, 75 grams of butter, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of rose essence. These are all the ingredients that we require. There's no maida, no flour, or anything used in this cake recipe. So let's get started with this lovely recipe. Now first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to line a thali or a round baking tray which is of 2 inches thickness and 7 inches radius with some butter paper or some baking paper, and I'm also going to preheat my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now we're going to beat the egg whites for a whole minute till they become nice and stiff. So take your time with it, use an electric whisk and beat it till it's nice and thick and stiff. So your beaten eggs should look like this. Now in a mixing bowl, we're going to add our powdered sugar, and I'm also going to add my butter. And first we're going to use a spatula and mix it very well together, because if we use the electric whisk, the powdered sugar will fly everywhere. So try and just mix it with the whisk. And once all the powdered sugar is mixed, now you can use your electric whisk and just give it a nice mix. Now we're going to scrape the sides and bring everything to the center. We're going to add half the quantity of the egg whites. Don't they look like clouds? They're so light and airy. And again, give it a mix. And now we're going to add the remaining egg whites. And again, we're going to mix everything well. Now you also get these traditional East Indian thalis in most markets like Bandra Bazaar or Vasai. You will get these traditional East Indian thalis in which you can bake these cakes. But otherwise you can use a baking tray like I showed you. Now mix everything really well together. Again, scrape the sides and bring everything to the center. Now we're going to add the rose essence as well as the baking powder. Now we're also going to add our semolina. Now if you don't get the fine semolina, just use the medium or the thick one and just grind it in your mixer till you get a very nice fine consistency. But generally this fine rava is available in the market. Again, give everything a nice mix with your spatula first, and then using your electric whisk, again give it a nice mix. So with the electric whisk, everything gets evenly, mixed together really nicely. And now we just have to add one more ingredient and our cake mixture is ready. Now we're going to add the freshly grated coconut and again mix it first with the spatula. And then we're going to give everything a nice final whisk with our electric whisk. So mix it till everything comes together really nicely, and then you'll get a nice thick batter or a thick mixture like this. We're just going to transfer this to our thali or our tray which we have lined with baking paper. And then using your spatula, just flatten it up and spread it out evenly till it spreads out throughout the thali. Yeah, just like this. And then we're going to bake this in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes or till the knife inserted into the cake comes out nice and clean. So after waiting patiently for 25 minutes, our cake is all ready and it's nice and golden brown on the top. Let it cool for some time before we cut into it. Now to make it look pretty, I've just decorated it with some dry fruits. I've used cranberries, some cashew nuts and some black kishmish. You can use any kind of Christmas decor or any kind of decoration that you like to make it look nice and pretty. And now we're just going to cut into it and you can see that it's so nicely baked. And now we're just going to dig into it. Enjoy. So I hope you try out this recipe this Christmas and serve it to all your guests and family and friends. Do let me know in the comment section as to how you like this recipe. I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.